Germany's labour market is shrinking fast. In the next 5 years, the country's working age population is expected to decline more than any other
Finally, I have good news for you. I know you all were waiting for the latest update from Germany on Germany new work visa, which is Germany Opportunity Card. If you are waiting, definitely you will have a question either it is already launched or not, if it is launched, and how to apply from your home country. I'm going to answer all these queries that either it is launched, in which country it is launched, how to apply in your country from different countries. Watch this video till and I will guide you step by step to apply for a Germany Opportunity Card from your home country. Hello everyone, if you don't know me, my name is Mohammad Itlaq and I'm based in Germany. Today's topic is a very most awaited topic because everyone was waiting for this visa, which is a Germany Opportunity Card. The good news is, yes, this visa has been launched. Before sharing that, okay, how you can apply, I want to share some important things with you that, okay, if you don't know that, okay, what is this Germany Opportunity Card yet? So please first watch this detailed video because I have already explained very in detail what is this visa so that you can understand the importance of this visa, why it is different from other visas. If you know the difference, definitely you can then gain a benefit from this one. If you already know this visa, then you have to understand the requirements of visa. What are the requirements? What are the eligibility criteria? Because it's a similar kind of visa like US green card based visa because it's a point based visa. So if understand the requirement and try to calculate your points, that how many points you are getting. To watch this video and use the official calculator. I have already explained how you can use this calculator, how you can calculate your points. If you have already know this visa, you calculated the points. The next thing is that a lot of guys will have that. Okay, they meet the criteria, but they will have a financial issues. Let's say they don't have the 11,000 block amount. If this is the case for you, then watch this video because I've already guided how you can avoid from this block amount by finding a part-time jobs in Germany, and then you can attach an offer letter. Follow this guideline, find a part-time job and attach an offer letter with the visa application. And the next thing is, if you are coming on this opportunity card, everything is ready. Please don't come without preparation. If you're coming without preparation, definitely you will struggle in finding a job. So I have already prepared a 6 action steps that you should do before coming to Germany for any kind of visa, for any job-seeking visa. Watch this video first because if you came with the preparation, definitely you will be successful. Otherwise, you will struggle. If you have already watched this video, then let's jump into the next step that, okay, how you can check either your country, in your country it is launched. If it is launched, what is the procedure in your country? Either how to check what is the procedure to apply for your country. To do this, first you go to the service.diplo.de website. On this website, all the required documents, requirements, everything is mentioned. If you know this, you can skip this. Now, just go to this below filter option. Like you can filter your country. For example, I filter first Australia. If you see that for Australia, there are some states where online application is not available for the Germany Opportunity Card. They have to apply. When there is an online application is not available, it means that you have to apply on this state, on this city, in the German embassy or German mission abroad, which is a German embassy in your home country, like in Australia. Now go to the next country. For example, next country is like India. So in India, so for example, you search that, you can see that New Delhi, all these cities, states, there is no online option available. So they have to apply the German embassies or German consulate through the embassies. Now, the countries which are not visible in this filter, for example, Pakistan is not visible here, so it lies in other countries. So select the option of other. And once you select the other option, then it means that is also not online application available. So you have to apply for a some German embassy, Islamabad or German consulate, Karachi. So now you know that, okay, what is the procedure from your country, either it's online is available or not. So now I will show you 2 countries because my most of audience is from India and Pakistan. So I will show that what is the procedure to apply from India and from Pakistan. So let's first discuss the India, that how you can apply from a New Delhi.
We are now at laptop, so let me show you how you can apply for a Germany opportunity card from it. So I think I have already explained about this card, for example. So main thing is, okay, these are the points as well, so you can check yourself. So main thing is, for example, there are 3 ways. First thing is you can apply an embassy in Delhi. For that, you can just send the email to get the appointment. This is the email at the embassy. And if you want to apply from consulates in Delhi, then these are the different consulates listed. Chennai, Kolkata. So these are the different consulates. So you can send the email for the appointments. Once you have appointments, I think you can just submit the documents. And you can apply through the VFS Global as just directly visit the VFS Global website and apply for these states on the VFS directly. So this is the visa fees for this €75 only. Like you can, if you are seeking for this opportunity card. So these are the documents that you need to download and to fill and attach the required documents with this application form. And you have to submit this in embassy or consulate or VFS Global. So these are the required documents. I think it's same documents for all countries, like photo, valid passport, university degree recognized. I have already made a video and attached to the iLink how you can get your degree recognized if it is not recognized. Same recognized degree of vocational training. I have already explained how the language proficiency you can prove by IELTS or generalized test. Financial proof, there are ways, either attach the document of block account or the parting offer letter. And for example, proof of experience, health insurance, vocational training, university qualification degree. All these documents you have to use same for all countries like Pakistan, Nepal. The same requirements documents for all countries. And just get the appointment and take the cash or the visa fee and submit the visa application and wait for the approval. Once it is approved, you will get the visa stamped on your passport and can book a ticket and can travel to Germany.
Let me guide you for Pakistan, because from Pakistan, you can only apply from German Embassy Islamabad and German Consulate of Karachi. So, because the 1st June was on weekends, and as of now, there is no guidelines has been published for the German Embassy Islamabad and German Consulate Karachi that what is the procedure to apply from these 2 embassies. But the procedure will be same as for India, that there will be some email or there will be some online appointment option will be available on the German Embassy Islamabad website or the same German Consulate Karachi website. So you will have to book the appointment, and the requirements of documents and all the other requirements, it will be the same as I have already shown for India. So at least until unless the guidelines is not published by the German Embassy Islamabad or German Consulate Karachi, please do prepare your documents and prepare yourself. As soon as some guidelines published, I will immediately make a video that how you can apply from Pakistan, so you can follow this. As of now, still no guideline from Pakistan. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe so that I can share the next updates that about this new visa and all other some career guidelines as well.